Yo, welcome back. So I rang the customer in the end because he took too long to respond. He said how much extra would it be to sort it out. I told him and he was happy with it. So yeah. And it is probably is just an alignment issue because the one that somebody sent me the link to, I was just making a video. Making me a video. Oh, thank you. Hello EDM, Farm Tech, Daniel Rock, welcome back guys. And yeah, he wants it sorted, so that's a good thing. He didn't say, oh, was it broken or anything, so I assume he kind of knew. I told him it makes the system hang for a while. So I'm also going to do these top ones. So I can take the lid off. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I've taken some painkillers, had a coffee, warmed up a little bit because I was actually getting a bit chilly. Yeah. I will check the voltages of the micro switches. I think they probably are getting voltages because sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't. So I don't believe it's anything to do with voltages or anything, in my opinion. Because it worked before, why would it just be temperamental? I do want to take this sticker off. Cam. I don't know what cam is. You know about the gears? Yeah, it's definitely a gear issue. I'm taking this sticker off. Because I don't know if that's maybe catching as well. Where I've punctured it. Get the game out. I will get his game out right now. Alright, it's still got a screw. God damn it. Yes, Worms, we're back. The customers agreed to get it sorted. So let's have a look. Oh. 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 Hang on a minute. So opening it this way, there's a cable that's not connected. Don't say that was the issue all along, because I don't remember removing that. Or maybe I did. Yeah, there's a cable that's not connected. Why can I not see it the other way then? Only this way. What? Now let me try it. If that's sorted it. If that has sorted it, I cry. Let's try it like that. Bingo. Yeah. But why would that have come out? Vibration dropped. I didn't remember seeing that ribbon. No, that cable wasn't. Could it be halfway out? Could it have been dropped and it dislodged? Maybe. Don't get too excited, Andy. Don't get too. I don't remember disconnecting that. That's not on the same side that I was fiddling with. So, exactly. Current limited. I see two cables unplugged. Yeah, this is a third one, which I didn't see. So maybe it was on its way out. No, didn't do shit. What's this controller one? Could you please do all of them? The white controller battery doesn't hold charge, so you have to keep plugging it in. It would be connecting fine, just the battery. So it needs a new PS5 battery. So that made no difference. So I don't know if I may have put the ribbon cable on the wrong way. And that's hanging again. Oh, it's just span. No, it's not aligned properly. I'm gonna have to kill the power. It's not aligned properly. I can see that it's not. Hello, MDL. See, that's not aligned now. Right, ribbon. No, I don't even know if that sensor's the right way around. How did he manage? Did he just push him through? Oh, he did just push him through. Okay, so this top cover can completely come off, really. There you go. All right, let's just remove that. We don't need that. It's just the cover. Oh, look. Why is this all popped out? There you go. It's plugged back in. So this cable here wasn't plugged in. This is good. I'm not aligned. No. That's the laser assembly. I still need to screw in this thing. I forgot to screw this back in. You can see it's moving about everywhere. That's supposed to be screwed down onto there. But I don't know if I put this ribbon cable the right way. Now, how can I tell which way around that's supposed to go? I may have plugged that in the wrong way around. Yeah, it's supposed to be screwed in like that. Yeah, I need to screw that back in really. Do I just try it the other way around? I don't know, it kind of sits fine like that, but why would it be that way around? I mean, that kind of looks right though, doesn't it? Guess I'll try it like this. Yeah, let me try it like that then. Which is why I do when the metal plate has to be screwed on. Do you reckon? Surely it should make some sort of noise. The video I watched, he didn't. I'll try it again. I've turned around this ribbon cable this time. Don't know if that's the right way around. It's made a noise. Don't know if you guys heard it. It's realigning itself. Oh, it's still making a noise. Oh. No, it's still not activating. It should still try and activate. Oh, it span on its own again. It's being really weird. It thinks there's a disc in there. Now it's ejected. No, it thinks there's a disc in there. It's hanging again. Oh, it just span again on its own. This is so strange. How was my coffee? Was lovely. Thank you. It's still beeping. Right, take the disc. Right. It's not doing anything. I really wish I knew which way around this ribbon cable went. I might have to flip it round. See, it keeps spinning randomly, just little bits. All right, to the drive then. What's this plus thing? Oh yeah, it's to manually do it. The plate needs to be screwed down. I don't believe it does. Because it's still doing the same issues as before. Surely it should make some sort of whirring noise or something. That actually shut off much quicker though, didn't it? Let me just turn this around. It definitely looks like it goes in that way around, so I had it round the right way first of. Now let's try it. Okay, it's moving. There we go. Boom. Okay, so it ejected my disc. Is it going to take it back in? That's the question. No. Now it's glitching again. Right, so I know that way round is the correct side of the ribbon. It should still try and take the disc because of the micro switches. It's like that micro switch isn't getting... Oh, now it's moved. Alright, hold on. Where are those micro switches? Oh, they're on the other side. It should spin or do something. Okay. Let me see if... What? Put the plate on. It's not going to make any difference, you sausage. Right, let me shut it down then. Hold on. Let's see how long it takes for it to shut down. It's just right. It's like there's not enough power going into it. It will. It won't. If it is, then I will apologise mentally to you, but... It's hanging, so there's still something wrong with the drive. Nope, it's still hanging. And it's just, see that? It's spazzing out. That should have shut down way by now. And now it's shut down. It's going to be a waste of time me screwing it back in because I've got to take it all back off again. I need to check, see if there's any volt. Okay, hold on. Hold on. The main bit's missing from here. Hold on. No, it's not aligned. Hold on. This bit here needs to be in there. Now it's aligned. This is loose. Can I not just screw this screw in? I thought you were doing the large cover. No, this is a small one. This is where all the little screws are that I didn't screw down. Perfect, screwed them down. Oops, the wrong one. Where's all the other screws? Oh, they're under there, okay. Regardless if this is screwed down or not, doing this little micro switch here should trigger the rollers instantly, but it's not. No matter what the alignment or whatever, it should still trigger the rollers. Which is like there's not power going to there. So I could try that like that. That's all aligned now. Still not going to do it. Make sure that's all plugged in properly. Yep, yep. That looks good. It's not going to do it. Not going to do it. It should literally trigger them straight away. Turn it on. Although it would. See, it just glitched then on its own for no reason. Why would it slightly spin like that for no reason? I don't even need the disc. I could use my finger. The small ribbon goes to top metal piece, the large ribbon goes to the half and it needs to drive. Yep, still. Okay. Hold on. Nope, now it's stopped again. Now it's not doing it. It did it once and now it's not. I don't need a disc. See? For some reason this is... Now it's glitching again. I've got the little disc thingy here. It does it once and then it dies. That should be doing it all the time. It recognises there's no disc in there. So what I need to do is check the voltages of that first micro switch. See, it glitched a little bit then. I need to take it apart and then measure those little micro switches. Oh no, they're here. So it should trigger that one. It's just span randomly then. Let me check the voltages. Hold on. No, the ribbon isn't tight, it's fine. The ribbon's fine. Might need a new drive. Wow. If it's not getting the correct voltages, then it's just spinning on its own. So that's receiving the correct voltage, 3.2, and it shorts out. And then it should kick in this one. Is this one receiving voltage? Yep, and then does it short out? It should do because of the switch. Yep. So now if both of them, what about this one? Ah. Okay, so
I've got a really small one.
It's to do with this one here. This micro switch. So it needs to be both on there and then this one. No? No. What? No disc. It's just doing it randomly. It's just spinning on its own. That's always shorted. Okay. I'll take it. It just does it randomly. Cam is misaligned. What's the cam? This one. Well, I took a picture. I hate this. This is killing my head. I took a screenshot of what it should look like when it's aligned, and it looks correct. No, that should always be on. This is with a disc out. That should always be on that micro switch. Wait, now it's doing it. That upper half only, yes. What, this half? You reckon this is misaligned? It looks perfect though. It's just spinning out on its own. Check the side cable. This one. Yeah, it's fine. PS5 might shut off soon. See, now it's doing it on its own. I was trying to take the disc in. Oh my god. It's just so random. I think it goes in that way. It just tried to spit it out then for no reason. This is so strange. Hello, Puncher. Grandma's S toy. Well, I did a HDMI repair on it, but the disk drive doesn't seem to be working and it's acting very strange. It seems to be doing stuff on its own. Let me manually turn it a second. just so I can see how it works. Well, that's just spinning that. Right, let's put a disc in. That way. Oh, it's taking it in now. Took it in for no reason. It just randomly decided to do it. But it's not spinning still. A dead laser can't cause this, can it? I'm out 2 teeth. What on? Because that's now, the micro switch there's now opened up, so that's now getting voltage. Let's see if that bit's getting, it's like the laser's dead, it's not even attempted to read it. I don't know. That's getting its voltage. All 3 micro switches are fine. No, you're out 2 teeth. What on? If I hit the eject button, that should tell it to eject it straight away. This is sat down perfect. The disc is free. It's not spinning the disc. The motor that spins disc is fine. Usually, if the laser can't read a disc, it won't spin. Oh, there you go. Now it's just randomly ejected itself. Put the back arm is not where it's supposed to be as photo showed. Yeah, this does seem like slightly out, doesn't it? Because the other one was already covering this. It was already like sat like that. Now it's trying to take a disc in. But there's no way I could manually seat this anywhere. Hang on a minute. No, that's right. Oh, it ejected itself. Maybe the disc. Maybe. It's just randomly spasming. I'm surprised this console hasn't overheated yet. That's not getting no power, but that's the disk drive power. That's the motor power. I think that probably don't get voltage until something happens, which it's not. Oh, it glitched then. Was that the laser? This isn't an alignment issue. Oh, there you go, 2.9 volts, but the disc doesn't spin. It just wants to take it when it wants. I wonder if a dead laser can cause this. Okay. The eject button done that. It's because it's misaligned 1 or 2 teeth. Hang on, let me have a look at that photo. So what causes it keeps spitting it? Because it thinks it's not fully ejected. Yeah, look. So this guy said, oh, this is what it should like when it's fully out. There's no disc in there. See, now it's just going spasmy. And it's already on one point. So how can I keep that over there then? The lower cam? Okay. So what you're saying is, let's disconnect the HDMI before it gets damaged. Right, I see the cam. Are you on about this side piece? This bit? You think this is one or two teeth out? Manual eject gear used with screwdriver where the lower cam is look. So I don't understand. So how would I put it back to teeth? No need for the negativity. Yeah, I don't see no negativity there. Everything electronic.
Oh no!
Oh god, Ruggers is back. Oh man. It's just... I don't understand what part you're on about. The manual eject gear you used with the screwdriver is where the lower cam is. Right, so you want me to get into this lower section. Okay, let me turn this off a second. Which is going to take forever to shut down. So you're saying the lower section of the gears is misaligned, not this part. It's the lower part. But why in that picture that's there? But on here, it's... It needs realignment. Okay, I'll open it up, PC board. No worries. Just gotta wait for this to shut down because it's being weird. Right, that's shut down now. Disconnected. Right, blue is this side. Just remember that. Great. Yes, the lower half, I believe, is the photo. That is one photo, not the whole story. Yeah, because this half looks okay, apart from this black bit that is not like that. But there's nothing that controls this black arm apart from itself. It's not turned off. You could... Tell you what, alright, PC Board Repair, get in Discord, get in voice chat, and I'll connect to it. If it'll work that way. I don't know how it's going to work, Discord and YouTube at the same time. So you're saying this is 2 teeth out? It's... Oh, there you go. Now it's latched on itself. Do you reckon it's 2 teeth out so I can latch it over one more? That's what I need to see what the resting tooth is at the side here. I think I see what you mean. I think. Now it's attached. And this should be down a little bit or something. No, because it doesn't line up now unless I force it down like that. Now it's attached, but that don't look right. Right. Call me, it's voice in Discord. Did an hour call the other day. That don't look aligned. That looks completely out. Alright, hold on. Or go read more where you got photos showed. The photo shows a video, but it doesn't... I can't remember where I saw it now. That doesn't seem right. I'll try 1, 2 first. See if that's done anything. So I think blue was that way. This little mini one there. This was at the side here. What is up with these bloody disk drives and their alignments? Not really. They didn't show this part of the issue. Their alignment issue was... Their issue was this magnetic bit here. Alright, let's try that. It just clipped right back. It's just moved itself. So that didn't do anything. No. It just magically moved itself. And the side bit you were talking about? I didn't see the side bit, no. I did not see the side bit.
Phillips screws on the top of the disc. We're gonna pull. I'm gonna take the disk drive apart. We're gonna. All right.
My internet's so shit in here. Right, let me get you on Discord then. Yeah, alright, let me get you on Discord.
Pieces of shit. Because.
Shut up a minute. Oh, stupid mic me. I'll get in voice call. Hold on. Voice channels. General. Right, I'm sat in voice call general. But then I don't know how you guys are going to hear me. You're currently muted. What? How do I unmute? Open voice? I don't know how to unmute. I don't know how you do the 2 streams at once. Mute, untick. Now I'm unmuted. Okay. Right, okay, I've got it. I just need you to go into voice channel. I'm on my own. On my own again. YouTube can fix many things. I know a friend from your phone. You do not have Discord on your phone. Why do I need it on my phone? It's fine. I'm sat in the channel. If I go into my Discord on here, I'll be sat in the channel. It's connected to Wi-Fi again, that's why. See, look, I'm down there. I'm inside voice channel. I'm sat in there on my own. This is a voice call. Alright, I think I know what you mean. Okay, hold on, I got ya. Alright, let me just get out of the voice. The thing is, I don't know your name on Discord, so I can't call you. What's your name on Discord so I could sort it out? Let me hang up on this Discord. Where's the hang up button? Disconnect. There you go. Right. What's your name on here then? Oh, fucking, I'm gonna get angry in a minute. I'm getting so angry. PC board repair. Right. Did you jump in under general? P C C B. There you are. Okay, cool. Video call or voice call? I do voice because I look terrible. I don't want you seeing me. Hello. See? Am I in the call or what? Voice connected. Hello. Says you've answered it. You invited me to Discord. Shut up, Anthony. This is working brilliant. Hello. Mine's working. I've got a green logo over. I've just got to wait for you to answer it. You're alone in this call. What? Alright, I'll call you again. Hello. I'm still alone in this call. Is it me you're looking for? I could see it in your eyes. So why is it not ringing you? Have I got to send you a friend request? Oh, it says you're in voice. Hang on. There we go. Hello? What? It says you're in voice. Join voice. I don't freaking know. Yes, I am. Right, let me try and close it and reopen it. It says you're in voice. Oh, you're in voice call in general. You're in voice. What are you doing in there for, you silly car? Oh, it says you're in my general. Oh, now you're in there. There we go. Hello.
It says general.
I didn't know you were in.
I think I got you now.
Russ, get out, you little ship. Sorry.
Yeah, there I am. Yeah, there we are. Let me just turn the volume down here first. Hold on, boys. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
no worries. Oh, you could probably hear me twice though, through
No, I got the volume turned down on the TV.
All right, okay. So what do you recommend it is? The gears where?
So you're trying to fix that thing, but it's separated. It's that white gears and the black arm are the top half.
Yes.
The bottom half, there's a bunch of gears there. And if I look at that white cam there, I can see a hole that lines up. It goes through the plastic, through the metal, and it should line up with a black gear on the other side, at the side, or I can't really see that very clear, but right there, right to the left of that.
All right, so the left of this. Were you on about this white thingy here or not? Oh man.
That part is good. It's the bottom that's not lined up. Right there. Yep.
Sorry, there is
a... to go into a hole on the back of that white cam.
Oh, you're on about that little black thing.
See the slot? Right just as you go... No.
Yeah, you're
right.
on about this slot here. Sorry, you got to wait for
No. Right there. See it? See the slot?
Yes.
In that white cam. Right there. Yeah.
Yeah. There's a
that
delay.
Little white clip sticking up at the side.
This.
The little white clip.
Yep, I'm pointing at it. You got to wait for it to catch up.
What your thumb is on has to go into that little slot.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah.
It's in there. It is in there.
Okay. So there's something wrong where that white piece that you're pointing to there is not lined up with the gears at the side in the bottom black piece.
Right. So this thing is not aligned with something here.
So take that white thing right off, but you got to make sure you put that slot and that little groovy thing back. Yep. So take the white thing, the metal cover right off.
There is a delay, so I've just got to wait.
Have you got it plugged in still?
Yeah, you want me to disconnect it?
Oh yeah, definitely.
All right.
Definitely.
Let me turn it off.
Right. Yeah, I'm sitting here watching these going, oh man, you're going to be hours trying to figure this fucking thing out. But all these mechanisms are like this. But generally, when I used to do them, all you do is open them up and change a belt. Now they've got it set up so that the bottom part will drive the top metal white cam with that little wee pin sticking up. So the bottom piece, that piece you're moving with your left hand there, that's not lined up properly. See all those gears?
Yeah. I get it, but because if you look at the side here,
one of those gears not lined up right, and they usually make it so that you can't. Anyways, if you have the power on, it's not going to work because the thing's just going to keep trying to load and unload, and it won't do it. Like it'll wait a couple of minutes. It doesn't want to get a disc stuck in there and have a customer not be able to use their machine, right? So that's why they do every once in a while it kind of moves on you and whatever. It's because it's misaligned.
So what I don't.
And that's why the machine is taking so long to boot up.
Right.
So yeah, unplug that little wee tiny cable at the side of that. Yeah, that and that where your left finger is and your right finger are. Those two have to line up, right? And see that piece your left finger is on.
There's such a delay. Every time I do something, it's changed.
Yeah, get that out of the way, and then now let's unplug the drive.
Unplug the drive.
The cables, the drive, is it still plugged into the board?
Yeah, I've just unplugged it now.
Yeah. Yeah, just unplug. Make sure the power is off, though.
Yeah, it's disconnected.
Okay, unplug those. Both of them, if you can.
Oh, that big one. I'll have to take the board off. All right, let me quickly.
Okay, don't worry about it.
No, it'll take me 2 seconds. It's just two screws.
See where your left hand was on the drive mechanism?
Yep, hold on. I think it's just a...
If you could take that out of there, that'd be good.
Yep. Okay, that's out. Alright, it's disconnected.
All right. So now you can play with that piece totally, right?
Yep.
So now turn that thing on its right there. See that gear?
Yep.
See that gear? It's not lined up. See, turn it on its side again. See that gear when you push that?
Hang on. Should that be...
It's not lined up. It should be on the gear.
Hang on. This looks like it needs to be over that bit. I don't know if you can see it. Does that need to go over it? Like...
Yeah, it does. But the gear is not in the right place.
Yeah.
So that's to take it out. That's to remove it.
Hold on, let me just lift this up like that. There you go.
That's how you remove that little piece,
I think that's it there. Oh, that's how you remove it. Oh.
right?
Oh, I see. Okay.
Right.
Do I need to remove it then?
Not necessarily,
No.
but you can.
No, I won't. I'll leave it.
It'll just make it easier. It'll make it easier to turn the gear, that's all. But anyways, so see those gears there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one right there under your thumb. The big gear.
Yeah, this main
black
one.
one.
Oh, the black one.
Turn those.
Turn them.
If you turn it, you'll see the bottom part of the drive will pop up. You want it in the opposite way. You want to go the opposite way.
I can't.
There you go.
I can't move it the other way. I could only go one direction, but it's not doing anything but spinning the rollers. This is just the motor for the rollers, surely.
It should. Well, maybe.
Yeah,
It could be just for the rollers, but there'll be a gear in that mechanism that's misaligned. I've never worked on one of those particular ones, but you know what I mean? There's all these little tricks, but once you get them all lined up and everything, it'll go back together and it'll work perfectly fine.
stupid
There's
thing.
nothing in that drive that can wear out. It will all just break if anything's going to break or jump a gear. Yeah, move that back and forth a few times and watch what that turns. I think it's under that black cover.
It's not turning anything but the rollers. That's all that it's connected to. It's connected to the motor, and then it just changes the rollers. But it's this that I think's maybe the issue. It's maybe if I push down on it and spin it, what happened there?
Can you zoom in on that black cover there?
Yeah.
That
Yeah, I've had a break, Mega Zombie. Sorry, 2 seconds. Just trying to zoom in now.
I just want to see that black cover and see if it comes off.
I don't think it does. It's all attached.
Not that one. The one on the other side of where you're putting the screwdriver in. Flip it over.
I could take all this off.
Right there, the thing that's got it's got around the blue thing. Yeah, a little, oh, maybe that's the drive. Okay, yeah, you don't want to take that out. Okay, yeah. I see. If that goes all the way around, that's the bottom of the drive then.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking there was a cover there. But your problem is see that white thing under your finger?
Yeah, you're
The
on
big
about.
white thing?
Yeah. Because look, that's moving.
It's a big square white thing. If you look at it on camera, that's where the issue is. Somebody's ran to disconnect it with the power off and it's jumped a gear or two. But if you watch, wherever you got that photo from, if you go to that website or watch that video, the guy will show you exactly how to do it, man. It's so easy.
All right.
You want to do it with the drive completely. You want to do it with the drive completely out of the machine. You don't want it in the machine at all.
Yeah, I got you.
And when you watch that, the guy will show you how to do it. I've never seen it, but I mean, sure, that's what he's doing. And you just realign that with the top half, put that little wee pin sticking through, put it back together, it'll work like a charm.
All right, I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to try and watch it back, so I'm going to have to go.
Yeah, okay. But you can call me anytime. Anytime we're on a live feed, you know, or I'm not going to bug you or anything like that, but you can call me anytime, bud.
Yeah,
like,
no
anytime,
worries.
man. I'm not kidding you. Like, these things are really wacky. I'm just, you know, the video, I'm not going to send it to you, but I'm going to post a video helping you with something anyways. You'll see. I'm doing a video for you. I'm going to post it.
All right.
But, anytime you need help, man, just call me, or if I'm not watching the stream or whatever.
All right, cheers. I appreciate it. Right, I'm going to go now, mate.
I'm here all the time.
All right, speak to you in a bit. Bye.
Okay, thanks, man.
No worries, bye. All right, I need to look at this fucking video. Does he play with the side mount? That's what I need. Yeah, I went off the phone because I want to watch a video because time's getting on. I said I'll get the controllers done today and it looks like they can't. I need to get this done. I even said this will get done today.
Once again, this camera, even though it's...
He doesn't fiddle with the side screws. I've already watched it. He doesn't touch the side bit at all.
Spit it out.
He just
Might
pulls
get back.
pulls up and
Yeah,
down
see,
on
what's
this
happening
thing.
is this magnet, the top of the disk drive is not where it's supposed to be. It is not. So I'm going to open it while it's still running. I do not recommend that you guys at home do this, because you're going to make things most of 16. So
Yes, his jump to tooth.
try to push that down. Now that clicks in place. This has to go like this, remember? This has to go, when this goes here, that means there's a disc in here. That should have already been somewhere else. Go like this, move this back.
Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. No, his must be a different revision. Because his black arm, he's got a really long black piece. Mine's not really long black piece unless it's broken. His black piece is really long. What? Is that broken?
I've got a really small one.
He's got a really long one. So is that what the issue is? He's got a broken black arm. Because his one goes right the way down. Look, I'll show you even in the image, if I could show you under here. If so, he needs a new drive, which I can't sort it out. Look, can you see that? You probably can't actually. Turn my light off. Look how long his is. Mine cuts off right where that bit is, hit there. He's got all this extra length. So his comes down just before that second micro switch. Whereas mine is nowhere near it. I noted that earlier. So I think that snapped. And that's what's causing all this. Unless this is just a different revision. Hot glue or solder a wire tie. Angle it. I don't want to bodge. I'd rather replace. Angle it. What do you mean by angle it? What, have it like this? I've already tried that, Chris. I had it like that. But it needs to. It still didn't work. I have a look at the other side of the black plastic arm. Oh, fuck me. Does the trigger Does it trigger the switches? Well, not. It should always constantly be on. It should always be like that. And then when you put a disc in a bit more, it should trigger both of them. I think. I need to find pictures of this tray. I need to find pictures of this tray because this could just be the culprit. Shit. Yeah, I can see crap plastic end. Doesn't kind of, does it look cracked? That's a clean cut. Turn it over. If it's broken, you'll see a jagged plastic on the other side of the deal. I can't see. Oh, hang on. That looks like a clean cut, though. So is this just a revised one? Definitely broken, Andy. What model's on the drive label for Google search? Yeah, that doesn't look right. Because I have one. If you can, TK, that would be amazing. If you can, buddy. Because otherwise I'll be chasing around. Oh. Because everything seems to be working. It's just like it's not recognizing that this isn't always on. Maybe if I hold it there and power up the system, it will think that that's correct. But why would it be open? When would it ever be open? When it's fully closed. When it's fully closed, that's when that switch should be open. When this slides into this slot, then this black thing goes right down, which tells that there's a disc in there, which then sets it off. So yeah, that's what the issue is. The piece should be in the drive. Wow, Anthony, the piece is gone, mate. It's either this little black piece here. Could that be it? A bit of chewed bit up. Maybe this tiny little bit of black piece as well. Maybe that bit on there. I think it's just chewed up, maybe. I don't know. But I think that plastic black arm's broke. There's 3 versions of this, all have long arms. There are 3 versions of disk drive, blah, 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 all have long arms. So is this broken? It makes it so you could put a disc in it. Were they in the drive? Were what in the drive? So, Pabs, you saying that is definitely broken then? Yes, it's broken. Fuck. Okay. Jesus Christ. Which makes sense. That should always be a closed circuit. Because it's open when that should always be a closed circuit. And then when you first put a disc in, that's when it triggers that one. Which then starts the mechanism off, I guess. Right. Okay, let me try and put that to its theory, okay? Let me put it to its yeah. Now the question is, can you buy the black, just this shit piece? Now I've unplugged it all, I don't know where it all went. This one was under here. Let's unplug this. Let's get this out. Okay. And it was screwed. Whoops. It's a digital PS5 from now on then. No. Okay, that's all three connected. Now I'm going to have to screw this back down. And connect this ribbon that way, just like so. Screw this back down quick. So it should be 4 screws. You need a Molev drive to order PS5, but yeah. I mean, they probably won't want it fixed. Because if I tell them what the issue is and how much it will be, because I quoted them 20 quid. Man. You're doing great. No, it's so stressful. I was supposed to do 2 controllers, and the person wants me to do all the analog sticks. I should have offered them TMRs. I've got 2 lots of TMRs left. Right, so that technically should be in position. So I should be able to hook this up to the PS5 and then test it. But turn it on while that switch is in the closed position, not an open position. So if I turn it around, before turning it on or plugging it in, I will make sure that black plastic is, you can't see, I'm zoomed way too far in, hold on. Spitting everywhere, enjoy that. Hello ET, sorry if Mookie, sorry if I missed anyone coming in, it's just been a bit, it's all about timing of the levers, yeah. And the cams. Right, so I'm going to hold that in that position when I first plug it in and power it on. So it thinks that there's a drive connected, I guess. Let's turn it on. It's spinning already. This must be resetting itself or something. I don't know. I think that's the standard position. Now, if it thinks that I'm going to put a disc in, nothing. Nothing. I don't get it. I don't get it. Was it's still trying to take it in. Okay, now I'll try it again. Nope. Nope. Technically, it should work. You've got a DVR? What's that? Use a disc. No, I don't know which way around it's supposed to be. I don't want that switch to be knocked. Now it's just doing it on its own. I don't get it. Why does it want to do it on its own now? There's no other micro switches selected. Is this the right way? That is supposed to hit that other one. Now, why is it not spinning up? Because it's upside down. I put the disc in upside down. It's resetting because there's no disc other way. Hang on, I've got to eject. Is it going to eject? Yes, it is going to eject. Okay, so ejecting works. That should now tell it there's no disc in there. So let me try putting the disc the other way around. That should. No, is it? Unless it's not pushing that micro switch in enough because it's broken. Is it going to spin? No, it's not spinning. Why is it not spinning? It should still technically spin. Ah, hang on. Because this is snapped, it should be out. It should pop back out, right? Or something? Yeah, I think this should be popped back out to allow that there's a disc in there or something. Ah, it's basically stuck. That is supposed to pop back, maybe. No, disc is the right way around. The laser's in this part, the bottom part. It's something to do with these micro switches. Because this is broken, I think this is supposed to be back up there. Why would it stay locked in? Copyright, the vid was showing you it working. Copyright, I'll have a look in a sec. Hello? Yes. Right. Okay, when? You coming back home or not? Okay. Alright, what about tomorrow night then? Alright, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fine, babes. And I love you. Yeah, alright. What, to them? Alright, cool. That's same as last time. Alright, I love you. Forever noise. Bye. Oh, fuck me, man. Right, what video shows it working, does it?
By the way, magnet falls. There you
He's
go.
got his hand covering over it. How can I see
think
it?
Maybe got somewhere now. Let's see what we got this time. Boom! We fixed the disk drive, guys.
Wait, his arm's not long anymore.
Yes.
Why is his arm not long anymore?
Through fuckeries
I can't
and
see shit.
experimenting and click-clacking the way I did, I got it done. Now, I'm gonna eject it, inject my disk drive, make sure it works before I seal the deal. There you go.
Now his arm looks really small.
So now it is working, and now I can start putting the screws back in
No, his
and
looks...
close this thing up.
I am so confused.
Yes, perfect.
I am so confused. He has got a small one. His isn't long. His isn't long. It's the hole underneath it. It's the gap underneath the metal. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck is wrong with this thing?
I'm not joking. It's like
All switches are getting voltages. Eject is working right. Let's try eject. Yes, it's ejecting. So why? Was his already pressing down that button? It's actually hard to tell. Post on Discord the photo. So now it's just glitching on its own again. It's being weird. You're still sat in voice call. What did you post it under? Because, oh, hang on. May not be broken. Found, yeah, you're right, Claw. Oh, it's just loaded. Oh, TK, thank you. Yeah, it's not broken. TK. Everything looks perfectly aligned. Maybe if I manually push these switches in. Enough. That should trigger it, but it's not. Is it this one that's being the issue?
Andy's the best.
So because that's pushed in, there shouldn't be voltage to that. So let's see if there's voltage to that a second. If there is voltage to it, then that third one's the issue. Hold on. There shouldn't be voltage. No, there isn't voltage. So that switch is fine as well. Oh man, maybe it's not a mechanical issue. How do I get a voice? You got to hang up. There's a press. Yeah, there's a phone icon. Why are you calling me? Sorry, I've got to think. You hit the wrong one. That should trigger the motor, but the motor's not triggering. It's just randomly spinning on its own. Are you sure those parts are the same position? It is. It's just upside down. This just likes to glitch on its own. Maybe I should try clean contacts, maybe? I think it just takes so long to turn off. I'm going to try and clean every single connector. Maybe put a bit of deoxit in. It's just every second, what, 20 seconds it tries to spin. Oh my god, guys. Ugh. Is it a £1 coupon? But why is it affecting the console? Why is it making this take forever to shut down? Alright, let me just clean every contact. Deoxit. Probably going to be a waste, a bit of deoxit, but I don't know what value. What do you mean? Toltec, we'll put, oh thank you, I'm so glad you're here. Will pushing the disc cause the console to power on? Yes. Yes it does. Good shout, but that is a good shout, yes. Let me connect it all back up. I don't know how long you've been here for, but this is getting quite toasty. Surprised it's not shut off yet, overheated. Could it be a data signal? Right, that's connected, 100%. Right, plug in power. Right, and watch this, ready? Give it a second. Guys, stop spamming. I'm joking. Right, here we go, 3, 2, 1. See? It triggered it to turn on. But it also, it's making the console take forever to shut down. It like freezes on the dashboard when I force shut it down, pressing holding it. And it takes a good, what, 20 seconds for it to shut down. No, I'm joking, Worms. I'm only joking. But that should also trigger the motor, right? There you go. Now it's triggering it. Why is it so iffy? And when it does drag it in, it doesn't recognize there's a disc in there, so it doesn't spin up. But I've tested that switch every time and it's perfect. It should automatically trigger the motor. Any damaged contact? No. I've checked the ribbons, they're clean. Well, I was going to quickly clean it all. That's why his disc. Recognise there's no disc in there, but that should trigger the motors. It's just made a did noise from the laser. Will a dead laser cause any issues, Toltec, of that you know of taking in discs? Maybe if I unplug the laser and test it. I wouldn't think a dead laser would cause that, no. Oh. Okay. I would guess the console's confused about the state of the disk mechanism. Yeah, I don't have a spare drive. But it's twitching itself as well. It's twitching like it's... That should instantly start it off. Instantly. Alright, let me just clean every single... Look how long it takes for it to shut off. Watch this. When the drive's connected, it takes forever. See, it should have shut off by now. Now it's off. Let me try disconnecting that laser anyway. I know it probably isn't, but I want to know. It doesn't. No, it doesn't show anything. You never know, there could always be a first. Okay. Alright, 3. I should wait for it to start up. 2. I would say it's confused about whether a disk is loaded or not. It does not want to power off in the middle of a load or eject. It freezes the actual home screen though. There you go, straight away, it's rolling. Straight away. Okay, let's try that. That did it straight away then. Alright, let's try it again, wait for it to fully start up. Let's see if it'll work. No. You little shit. You tricked me. Well, it took the disc. It won't spin because laser's disconnected. I can't do schematics, Toltec. It kills me. I know eject works. Give it a few seconds. It's a bit slow. There we go. Now it's ejected. The mechanism's fine. Now it should go beep beep beep. Okay, try put a disc in. And nothing again. I'm going to try clean all the contacts. Why would it be twitching on its own? I don't think so, it can. Still waiting for it to shut off. Alright, shut off now. Do 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 do. Do, do, do. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, cheers, Toltec. I wonder if it'll even update. It should do, because it recognizes the drive. Hang on. Whoops. It's popped out. Pretty sure it's blue closest to label. Right, deoxit. Let's try, because it was very dusty. So maybe, oh no. Put some deoxit on there. Put some deoxit on here. This has already been opened before as well by somebody else. It's already had a bad. Do you know what? I might change this ribbon cable out because do I have a spare one? Check whether the white cable on top is plugged in the right way. I think it is. Let me have a look. Excuse my bum crack. No, I don't have a spare one. Thought maybe I would have. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, guys. Oh, it's a digital. Fuck's sake. Ugh. Can't even use a customer's one. Oh. It's getting cold again in here. Anyway, deoxit. Power's issue's fine, but I'll do it anyway. Bit in there. Bit in here. Just a little bit, not too much. Maybe in here. Cool. On here, which I don't know what this is. Yeah, let's go for the motor. This stuff does last forever though, you only need a small one. This is contact cleaner. Improves electrical connections. Alright, let's try that. You never know. help PlayStation. Thank you, Toltec. No, not taking it. See, it just spins itself. So is this the big main ribbon cable one? CN5402. Oh, it doesn't say it on here. I know I'm getting power to the switches. That's the thing. Yeah, no worries. Thanks, Toltec. Deoxit could come in a can too. I tried to clear fault with drive. It will keep doing that. It's trying to clear the fault with the drive. Man, this console's so hot. I know I'm getting 3.3. I don't know what GP is. TS reset. Alive. Pin 14. MC alive. You think it's a mechanical issue? How can it be a mechanical issue? Just trying to pull it in on its own. If it's a mechanical issue, then the micro switches tell it that everything's okay and it's all in the correct position. That's the only things telling it what position it's in is the micro switches, which they're all fine. It wouldn't do that if it was put some deoxit in them. What, in the micro switches? Yeah, I forgot about doing that. It will eject fine. But it's not recognizing. Well, again, there's a delay. Pressing the eject button. Alright, power off manually, load disk in all the way and turn back on. I think I've done that already. Yeah, next is our deoxit, the micro switches. Yeah, these are upside down PC board repair. If you look at the PS5s, it's weird. They do go in upside down. No, it's not. It's shiny side up. Nope, didn't mean. Took it in that time. But no spin. Buzzing. I can hear it buzzing. Why is it buzzing? Any dirt on the laser, that wouldn't stop it from taking in the disc, right? Does it shut down quicker though? It's still buzzing now. I think it's just because the console's on. Ah, that's so hot. CG, hi. Nah, still taking forever to turn off. Make sure laser eye has not fallen out of the disc if the disc is upside down. Common Pioneer CD Plum. No, CG, you're fine. Did you read the rules? I mean the guidance. Whatever it's called. Right. Let me manually load it. Right, that's loaded all the way. Plugging it in. E can be nice. It's just I'm having a bit of an weird one, an oil one. It's reflecting. It could be causing it to act weird, and the no spin is usually laser. No matter if laser is not working, it should still insert and eject normally. See, that should be spinning up by now. So even if the disc is in there, do I... pressing the eject? I'll try cleaning the laser as well. That's come out slightly. Alright, let me try to do the micro switches. Oh man, looks like I'll have to do some work tomorrow as well. Oh, I don't want to. It's just weird, it's just spinning on its own. Anyway. That turned off quicker. That did turn off quicker though. That actually turned off normally. Probably because the eject happened. That is so hot. Right, let's quickly clean these micros. Stop crying. Hello, Steve. That last one's going to be a pain to get into. Don't know if that's going to go in or not. Did I put contact cleaner on this ribbon? Don't know if I did. I'm lurking and leaving. Okay, no worries. Could you test the motor? The motor's fine. You can see it ejecting and taking it in whenever it wants to. So the actual motor's... Oh, I don't know about the disc motor. I mean, yeah, the disc motor. That's a good shout. I'm going to have to put the fan on for this because it is getting hot. It needs to cool down. Which ones are not lined? Oh, it's because of the cable. Yeah, sorry. Thanks, CG. Oh no! Sorry, that was a bit loud. Oh, that's the wrong way around. Does it matter? It's still 4-pin to 4-pin. Right. Fan. Cool down. You're way too hot. It's still doing its weird random spinny thing. Yes, cows? Don't hum bloody EastEnders at me. I can hear it go do. Now it will work. It won't. It's weird. It's like the laser's going. Is it a ribbon cable issue? Andy, can it be a software issue? I honestly don't know. I could try see if there's an update for it. You reckon I should try and give it a go? Oh, it decides to take it in on its own. Okay. Weirdo. Alright. Even the layout of this PlayStation looks really weird. Unless... Does anyone know what the latest update is? Let's have a look. Network. Nope. I want system. System software. Console info. It's on 26.1.12. Hey Google. What's the latest version of a PS software?
According to PlayStation 5.
No. Hey Google. What's the latest system update for PlayStation 5?
I found this on the web.
Just tell me, Google. Firmware. Hey Google. What's the latest firmware on the PS5?
According GameSpot. New PS5 update is
Yeah.
out now. Does what you expect and more. Now that's one stable PS5 console. It's that time of the month again, as PS5 console.
Actually, that was in January. Yeah, I think it's got the latest one. It's 26.01-12. Error history. There's quite a few. Can't enable console sharing. Something went wrong. Connection to the server. Can't connect. Something went wrong. Anything about a disc? Something went wrong with this game. Roblox. Yeah, I think it might be a ribbon cable. Nothing to do with the... I think it's... Bugs on AliExpress for a complete drive. Bleh. Oh, damn. Stop. 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 Jesus Christ. Got stuck. Maybe I should have had it like that. It'll take it on its own in a minute. Easy fix, get another drive, swap boards, yeah. Free mic switch. See, just, it does it when it wants to. Why is it pulsing signal? And then it doesn't spin, like it doesn't recognize the disc at all. Yeah, it's still this stupid Sony. It ejected pretty quick that time. Again, that should take it straight away. The black arm stops you from inserting disc. It's not, it's the rollers that not spinning that stops me from inserting disc. That, Stu, is a good shout. I'll check that big fat ribbon cable first. I mean, is there supposed to be voltages between these other two middle ones? Because I get 0 voltages on them. On the power one. Let's go for middle for ground. I get no voltage there. And no voltage there on the two middle ones. $54, that's a wrong pin. What are you chatting on about, CG? Shut your face. Ground's middle on the disk drive, you donkey. They're not ground. Yeah, they are. Middle's ground. You're on the fan. Yeah, the fan's got a ground. Yeah, of course I'm on the fan. The fan for ground, you silly car. Donkey. donkeys. Alright, I'll go for ground on here. Okay, ground off of a capacitor. Oh look. Still nothing. Still nothing. You donkeys. Yeehaw. Do what RCA document Swindon. What's that? The mechanism's fine because it's recognizing it and ejecting it, but just not the disc. It's like very slow, laggy, can't communicate quick enough. Oh, you DM'd me, did you? No, that's a missed call. What did you post it under? Oh, there it is. Timer is up again. $35 pounds. That's like nearly £40. Which rev do I need? For model PS1200. Version 1, version 2, version 3. They all look identical to me. What a name, funny. Buy it, Stingy Andy. I mean, I could buy it, that's fine. But the guy probably doesn't want it repaired. It's working, why buy it? It's not reading the discs. And it's not taking the disc when I ask it to. Like if I go to, I put in disc, right? I've got FIFA 22 here, I click on it. This game, play this game, insert the disc. PS5, they're worth about 250 to 300, I think. Why am I trying to fix? Because I want to. It's like really slow at processing. Is it not going to eject at all? Oh, here it goes. I'm going to try going safe mode and see what happens. Did you clean the lens? No, I didn't. It's not even... Oh, it's nearly 6 PM, yeah. Okay. It's not freezing now. It's not freezing on the TV. So that's going to shut down normal time. Oh, let me try going to safe mode. Well, okay, let's turn itself back on. Wow, it's shut off normally. Yeah, that's true, PCB, I will. For future stuff. Right, press and hold in again. I'll clean the lens. I'll clean the lens. Let me try and go in safe mode. Alright, we're in safe mode. It says I need to connect up my controller with a cable. Ugh. You do so many. Only HDMIs. Never. Well, I've done like this one before. Repair console storage, restore default settings, clear cache and rebuild database. Let's do clear cache and rebuild database, clear system software cache. Let's try that. Nephew is playing darts in a few minutes, so needs switch sites to check the score. What? I've got a little power. I've got a power. Or if you've got a powerful blower, just blow dry. I can do. The outer pins are 5 volts and 12. The middle pins are ground. Oh, really? CG. Okay. That's a bit stupid. Right, that didn't clear the cache, did it? Well, that ejected instantly. Let's try it again. No. Still not accepting it anyway. Just accept it whenever you want. Alright, well that didn't work. Call customer. I already asked them. I called them up and I asked them. Well, I said to them, I noticed that this drive don't work. Did you want me to sort it out? He was like, oh yeah, how much extra? I didn't say did it work before because I had no way. I mean, I didn't test the disk drive before I went into it. Yeah, I know. That's why there's such an old game in there, FIFA 22. Either it got stuck in there because it stopped working. I know it wasn't working before because it was hanging so long when I very first turned the console on. So long it was hanging. So there's still an issue with the drive because that was causing the issue. Alright, let's go in safe mode again. I know the Swindon people still use the discs. Like now. It's actually being alright. Right, let's go to repair console storage. No, clear cache and rebuild database. I'll rebuild database this time. This might take a few hours to rebuild. What? Better not. Five minutes. That's not a few hours. Why does the font look so clean? They must have changed it recently on a PlayStation. That console was in bits of its last legs of its life. There's 4 minutes left. Taking a long time. I don't know. I don't think it's a drive issue. As in mechanically. If I buy another drive, it's just going to do the same symptoms. What? Keep it out on its left hand, right hand might work. Oh my god. You need spares anyway. Bye. Yeah, I know, but I've got to wait a couple of weeks, or probably just over a week for it to arrive. No, you can't PC board repair. You could tell by what model it is, and this is I don't know what model. If anyone knows, this is 010 board, so it's the first revision. It's a 1016A. 1016A. On its daughter board, you could get a new motherboard, daughter board, and swap the Renesas chip. I can, yeah. By the way, my Xbox One still works, Andy said, is your Ford. Yes, it does. What? A 1016A, what? A? It's actually taking a long time to rebuild the database. Didn't realise it takes this long. It's got 15 seconds left. 10, 6, 2, 1, and done. Alright, has that fixed our problem? Probably not. Eject? No. Alright, laser clean next. We'll wait for it to eject this disk. There we go, now it's going to do it. It's really delayed. But it's shutting down instantly now though. Before it would hang. Clean the desk. The desk is fine. I've got all my essentials right in front of me. Yeah, that's shutting down normally now. It's not taking an hour to shut down. If laser clean don't work, I'll be sacrificing a goat. What? Let's check the condition of this ribbon. Because I did notice something, but no, that's fine. It's just a bit of dust. The ribbon looks perfect on both ends. That's fine. Pins look fine. Alright, laser clean. Buy just the laser, same price. Yeah, so the issue is, it does go in and out, but it takes its time whenever it wants. But also it doesn't spin the disc. I will have to buy it. I'll let him know, look mate, I can't fix it at the minute. I'll have to order a spare disk drive and do more testing. Because it's acting super strange. Like something that's never seen before. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, ribbons don't, unless they're physically damaged. But because somebody's been in this console before me, you never know. They could have physically damaged it. I wasn't the first one in this console. Right, does this move? Yes. That worm gear. And this is the motor power for this. Maybe if I push it up there. Is it something to do with this one? That's the next thing I'm going to do is unplug this. The actual the motor itself for everything. Is there a fuse for this? Is this fuse gone? Yeah, I've got a couple of fuses down here. Let's quickly test it. You should be able to test the laser in your phone camera. I think you guys should be able to see it on here as well. Let me just see. There is a few fuses on this board. Maybe, I don't know, the power for the... Okay, that one's fine. We've got a fuse here. That's fine. That's fine. I think that's it. I know there's a fuse here. Oh, it's the same one I chose. Same one I've done. That's it. Won't be a fuse because partially works. Yeah, but oops. But the motor doesn't, as in for the spindle. When it takes the disc in, it doesn't spin. Or I do hear the laser go beep beep though, so I'm just clutching, alright? Clutching at straws. Okay, that's the laser cleaned. Whoops, I've got to put it back together. Down, 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 down. Bum, bum. It has to focus, but only... If I push that laser back, I want to see if it slides forwards. I've lost the mechanism. Oh, it's right in front of me. This looks mint. There is a screw there. It's not a mechanism issue because it goes in and out fine. It just decides when it wants to, which is weird. Why do you decide when to? Maybe I keep track on the voltage, see if the voltage drops on here. When it decides to do it on its own, maybe I'll see if the voltage changes all of a sudden, like it will spike, or yeah, I'll try that. No, it's not weird. It is weird. I agree, it's looking mint. Thank you. Maybe a donor board can lend some lenses. Lenses are precision devices, however. Yeah, I know, I do need to get some parts. In other words, to continue. Yeah, let me try that. Just somehow. I need that board off. I need to take this off. Alright, now I could get away from that. Now I could put power straight to here with this. Is that right? Or is it the other way around? I think it's that way around. To there. We've got that ribbon, which is this way. Should clip in, go cling. There you go, that clipped in lovely. To here. Clicked. Okay, is that going to short on anything? Maybe. Maybe. Need to put something underneath it to prevent it. Yes, TK, thank you. Yeah, I'm talking to myself. I'm kind of doing the same. Right, okay. Power it on. So I can measure what's going on. Why is it being weird? What changes when it decides to do it? Ugh. Right. I can't put HDMI in. So now it wants to be this way now. Right. Okay. You're going to spin? Of course you don't want to spin, because the laser's fucked, probably. Anyway. Let's check this one. Does this suddenly change voltage? We're in 0 volts. We want to watch it. Oh no, because it's already closed and took it. God damn it. This one's 0 volts. Yep. And this one is 3.2 volts. Whoops. And that's not going to change. But that should have triggered it to spin up. Unless the laser's dead. Okay, press the eject button. Okay. So if I leave it out, pop it in. Right, let's check the voltages before it grabs it. The laser moved as well, didn't it? So we've got 0 volts. Let's see if it suddenly decides to flicker. Cable on motherboard seems... Damn it, did anyone see the voltage? Damn it. Cable on motherboard seems loose. Nah, it's in there proper. Oscilloscope would help here. Did nothing. Yeah, it's fine. PC board repair. It's cooled down a bit. It's not hot. Yeah, it's not hot. 2.98 volts to the motor. So you're saying I should put 3 volts to this motor to see if it keeps continuously spinning? Obviously disconnect it first. But I don't want to overshoot the mechanism. I don't really feel comfortable doing that. Should be 5 volts. Give it 60 volts. How cheek the micro with not pushed in. Now check the micro switch with it not pushed in. It's getting voltage. All of these are getting its voltages. They're all 3.3 volts. 3.28 on that one, or 3.3 pretty much. 3.2, and this one's not because it's turned on. It's grounded. Carthel is a complex one. It's weird because why? And it's just randomly twitching on its own. When that does twitch, does this twitch? Yeah. See that? So what's twitching the motor? Is it like a MOSFET that keeps opening and closing it all? I don't know. If the real spin motor is getting 3.3, Andy, what does that say to you? Clearly there's a fault with the motor. If the real spin motor is getting 3.3, it's not. It's only getting just under 3 volts. Could it be a faulty motor then? It's just ejecting itself manually. Yeah. 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 No, to keep it spinning on its own. Oh, where are you going?
I'm going Old Town with Nan.
Oh, you actually are going out then?
Driving.
Oh, driving. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, I love you.
I love you. Let me say hello to everybody.
Just because you've done your makeup.
I look half decent for a change.
Puh. Thank you, baby.
Hi.
It's Tracy. It's my other half. The worst half.
I love you.
I love you for always.
I love you. Do I look okay?
Yes, you look gorgeous, baby.
Thanks.
All right, enjoy your night.
Did you?
I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, all right, babe. Yes. Oh, no, that wasn't me. That wasn't me. I love you.
I love you.
Forever and always.
Forever and always, baby.
Bye, baby.
I can play with my hair.
Hey, nice. Puh. Lipstick. English accent is so funny, you reckon? Right, what did we say? Hello, how Trey is the best half? No, the worst half. Hey. So this is automatically thinking it's ejecting, it's not the opposite direction. What would think it's the opposite direction if that's in? So when that next glitches itself, do you reckon I should... There you go. See, it's doing it on its own. It's pulsing. It only wants to do it on its own.
I've got a really small one.
Just order a CD module, install it and give it back.
I'm not joking. It's like
I don't think it's not this. It's timed. Hi, James. Is it the laser? Is it the whole drive? Is it the board? I'm literally stuck on this one. Something's not right and it keeps... It's that way around. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to probably Google about it, say why is it randomly pulling in discs? It should spin up. They haven't in the disk drive because there's like a little silver. I love you, baby, forever and always. Unless I've put this ribbon in the wrong way around. Which I don't believe I have. So this isn't working. I'll try it the other way. Let me take the disc out. When it wants to. Please confirm that the real spin motor has got power going to it by testing it with your power supply. Okay, which one's that? Which one's the real power? Not that one, that's for the rollers, I guess. Look at the connect pins on one side, look at ribbon metal on the other side. Okay, I'll have a look at that. The real speed motor is in the center of the drive, which, okay, all right, I'll have a look at that in a sec. Still glitching out on its own. Test the motor with power supply. Yeah, but would the motor cause it to randomly glitch? I was wrong about the arm there, like yours, no longer, sorry. No, don't worry, I know, we know that. It's kind of misleading because of this dark bit. Don't worry. Alright, let me disconnect it. Let me check this a second. Yeah, that's the right way. Let's check the motor arm then. Again, this is getting quite toasty again now. Not too bad, but... Oh, you bugger. I'm gonna have to fish that screw out now. So many in chat helping out Andy. No, they're all useless. They're not helping. Chicken. You guys are great. Right, so you want me to test this motor down here, the spindle motor, which is this one. There's only two on here. But that looks like it's the motor for this, not for the actual spindle. Magnet? What do you mean? Come on. Why can I not change scene? There you go. So you got stuff going there. I don't know which one's the motor drive one, but you got one here which is only positive and negative, which I don't know if this is for the side bit, just to make the laser go up and down. That's the worm gear motor. So it's not that one. It'll be something on here. One of these. Right ribbon is for worm gear. Yeah, that's what I just said. Stop repeating what I said. Nice that it's labelled. No, it's not. It's got G, V, W, and 1. So, we got a ground. So G is for ground. That's a no connect. Let me just confirm if that is a ground by clicking on the capacitor. Nope, that's not a ground. Unless it's on a different ground. None of the, oh. That's a ground. That's a ground. 6 winding BLC, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these two. This is ground, and this may be the motor. What? Count with Tracy. She's gone. How am I supposed to know what positive is? You got G, whatever that's for. Comms for communication, I guess. I don't know. U and V. Why is U and V together? I kind of want to disconnect this because I don't want it to send voltage back to the board in case I mess up. Okay, that's disconnected. Let me go get my bench power supply. I'm just going to have to stab at it. Yeah, that's a BCLD. What does that mean? BLDC motor, 3 phase. So do I have to inject like 3 lots of voltages into it? 2 lots of voltages. Can't just, oh, what? Okay, can't even test that then. Oh, lovely. UVW phases. Oh, they're phases. Never heard of 3-phase motor. No, you can measure coils. Okay, well, I'll measure it in DC, in ohms. So, measure it to ground. I don't know how I should measure coils. U. No reading. So, obviously, coils not to ground, so it'll be them 2. No. These 2. No reading. No reading. No reading. I'm getting no readings across them anyway. Well, that one is. That's 6.2 ohms. That's 6.4 ohms. Try com between U and V and da da da. Yeah, so we got 5 ohms on that one. To 4.5 on that one. An open line on W, which W doesn't seem to be going to there, but there is 4.6, 4.6. I don't know where that one goes. That one doesn't really go anywhere. There's com up there. Oh, there's com. My bad. Try this one. 2.8. 2.8. 2.8. Yeah, I got ya. I understand it now. Chat is right, someone pointed out UVW. So what does UVW stand for? I know it's just the phases, but that's kind of cool. Hello, Mean Cat, by the way. Means it's brushless. Measures U to V, U to W, etc. Okay, V to W is 4.6. U to W, 4.6. U to V, 4.76. I think that's all the combinations. 4 to 4.6. Alright, I guess I'm just going to have to buy another drive, and on that front. Just going to leave it there. What time is it? 6:30. It's just such a weird fault. 9 combinations. What? Even the laser didn't move though. Or did I move it back? I probably moved it back. It works when it wants to. Oh, sugar, I've got to get that screw out. Have some dinner and stop for the night. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm going to make myself. My missus has gone out. Whoa. Oh, Swindon Town lost, by the way, by the sounds of it. 2-1. Typical. Just annoyed, man. I've got to work tomorrow now doing those 2 controllers because I said I'd get them done today, but obviously I haven't. Ham and pizza. Oh, I might have to order pizza because I've got nothing else in. Nah, I do fancy pizza, but I don't. I had a kebab last night. Ha, there it is. Pull my finger out. What? Someone say just eat? Nah, pizza go-go. You just ordered Hall Effects. Let's go. Nice. You going to live stream it, Worms? Yeah, Andy, I'm going to love doing it. Oh, amazing. Love that for you. Right, what's going on here? This isn't sat down correctly now. Why is it not sat down? Oh, now it has. Okay. AliExpress. Nice. Is that bad? No? I wasn't aware of 360s had Hall Effects. They're fake Hall Effects. Beans on toast, mate? Yes, now you're talking. Chinese, got it. I'm not a fan of Chinese. Hall effect sensors in every BLDC motor. BL, what does BL stand for? I know DC. Would it be funny if I put it all back together now and it works? It's just because this needed to be lifted up slightly. Wouldn't it be funny? Oh, now I've got to pull these rubbers out. No, I don't. I think I could just pop them in like this. It's like having a baby. Not that I know what that's like, but no. There you go. See? Happy motoring. Cheers. Bye. Going back to Luke, not Andy. Guy is cooking up stories. Okay, see you later, buddy. Thanks for dropping in. I am going now anyway. I'm just going to put it together and give it a final test. I'll have to let the guy know, look, it's up to you. You can leave it as it is, but I can't sort it out at the minute until I get more parts. Okay. Oh yeah, Michael, what time are you streaming? Was it 10 PM tonight? I think it is. It will be worth your investment. $12:30. No, it's not. Has he scheduled it for that time, little ship? He said 12 hours from now and it was going to be like 10:30. Oh, what? Michael, you little ship. Beautiful. What? 5:30 mountain time. Jesus. Well, good job it's a Saturday night. Saturday night and I like the way you move. Pretty baby. Do you know what? I was going through my shorts, right? And I had to take a screenshot because these are some classic songs I completely forgot about. Lollipop. Oh, you guys are probably not in the same era as me, but Paris, Crank That, Kiss Me Through the Phone. Oh my god, these are all amazing songs. Turn Down for What? Yeah, yeah. Still Dre, I can't remember what that is. Next episode, can't remember. Gangster's Paradise. Oh my god, those were the songs, man. I haven't heard any of them in years. Do the Dance. What's the dance? Wigfield? What? Wait. What? It says 12:30 a.m. for me too. How can that be, Carthor? You're like an hour in front of us. She licked me like a lollipop. Yeah, 1 hour ahead. That's what I'm saying. So midnight, 11:33. Oh, mad. That's better. That is much better. The Harlem Shake. That's too modern. Poop. Huh? You okay, Mookie? 2,000 years later. Right, so this ribbon cable can stay there now. Stay. Bing. Oh, I can't wait to start Googling this issue, see if anyone else has encountered it as well. That'll be well interesting. Whoa. Hokey pokey, it's funny. Do the big bro voice, Andy, it's funny. 2 days later, Andy is still fixing his PS5 in his shed. There you go. By the pool. Don't think it's that funny. 2 days later. I used to love Big Brother. I find it funny. Bless. 2,000 years later. All by myself by Eric Cartman. Don't wanna be all by myself. Back in the early 2010, 2013-ish with Davina. Yeah. Man, that was good back in the day. When you could actually watch them live on TV. Carmen? What? What's Carmen? Oh. Only song on my phone. Oh, is it? Informer lick bum bum down. A lick bum bum down. Is that the song you're referring to, Stu? Lick my bum bum now. Oh, that song. Oh, that's a good song, that, though. Yeah, that made it, was never the same once they stopped doing live, yeah. Because of the snowflakes. Lick my bum bum now. Yeah, I know that one. Eh? Horses eat that. Why can I not get it in? Oh, there you go. Amazing. All right, let's give it a test. He was called Snow because he was white. Was he? Is he dead now then? Coda streaming. All right, how many viewers have I got? Then I'll forward it. I haven't got it turned on, so I don't know. If I got enough, I'll forward it to make me look cool. Maybe he would know. Right, I heard some disc noises. I'll be like, Coda, disk drive wants to take in discs when it wants and ejects it when it wants. Oh shit. I accidentally just put it in rest mode. Fuck. 53? No idea, but I guess it doesn't perform these days. Prince 2. If it's only the Coda streaming, I'll forward it to him. Not many people, but he's a good guy. He's just, I don't know, what's he streaming this time of night anyway for? B52? B52, I've heard of them. Wait for it to go to orange. See, even this is taking time again. That should have went in orange by now. Yeah, it's still playing up. There you go, orange. Rush. Xbox Series X issues, Coda. Well, he could help me with this PS5. I still can't even turn it on yet. It does not work, Andy. I know it doesn't work. I just want to see it one more time. I can't even get it off of bloody sleep mode now. It's so slow. Love Shack, baby. That's it. Are you kidding me right now? There you go, finally. Order a drive. I will, I promise. That means it's not going to work. If it's still playing up. Right, here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Just let it take it on its own. It's fine. Rust is... there you go, see? Just on your own, mate. No disc spinning logo. No disc drive spinning up. Oh God, you guys singing old school songs. What you like. Alright, let's redirect. Right, let's all go over to the coders. Stop, calibrate, and listen. Shut. Danny Mossfart. Hello. I don't want to say. I don't know why. Moffart. Yo, VIP. Let's kick it, ice baby. Thanks everyone for watching. It's going to be redirected to the coder. So he's another English person that does consoles. Yeah, I appreciate you all you guys being here. It's been a very frustrating day for me. I guess I'll have to be back on tomorrow to do a couple of controllers. Or I could just do them off stream. It's only 4 analog stick controllers. I think I do have another PS5 battery, actually. I could try with it. But yeah, thanks Worms. Thanks Michael. Danny, PC Board. Thank you so much for your help, everyone. Cows, Stu. Nice to see you in the chat, buddy, by the way. Sean Cozzy. TK, thank you so much. My Son Experiments. Oh, you're lurking in the background as always. Got a VCR? Nice. Carthor, Anthony, Picardo. That reminds me of a drink. I think it's an alcoholic drink. Tom Ball, thank you, mate. Enjoy your justice. I might not order it. I say that, but I never do anymore. 8-bit Crayeth. Yo, chill and relax. Thank you, mate. On that front. Okay, Bacardi? Is it Bacardi? Yes. Bacardi, that's the one. Shut up, Joe. Right, I see you over in Phil's Discord. Phil's YouTubes. Let me quickly load it up. See where he is. Oh, he's there. Right, okay, cool. This is becoming a problem. So's mine.
It almost looks like
Jesus Christ. Right, here we go. Let's see what he says. I'll see you over there. Right, I'm going. Thanks, Rick. I'm going in 3... Oh, and Fuzzy. 2, 1. Bye, everyone, and all the lurkers. Thank you.